Welcome. If you've ever found yourself scrolling endlessly trying to find a specific reel you watched or posted on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to find all your reels history by date on Instagram, right from your PC, using the latest update. This method is simple, quick, and perfect for organizing your memories or tracking your favorite moments. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Instagram's official website. Log in to your account if you aren't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on the one labeled Menu to expand more features. From the expanded menu, find and select your activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you've done on your account, making it the perfect spot to review your history. Inside your activity, look for the Photos and Videos section. Under this, you'll see an option for Reels. Go ahead and click on Reels to view all the Reels you've interacted with or posted. Now, here's where the magic happens. At the top right of your Reels list, you'll notice a button called Sort and Filter. Click on this, and a menu will pop up allowing you to customize your search. Select the date range you're interested in, whether you're searching for something from last week or a year ago. This tool makes it easy. Once you've chosen your desired date, simply click Apply. Instantly, Instagram will filter your Reels and show you only the ones from the dates you selected. No more endless scrolling or guessing. That's it. You can now easily find any reel by date right from your computer. This new update makes managing your Instagram content so much easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling.